Hello, in front of me I've got iPhone 17. In this video I'll show you how to use back tap feature on this smartphone. Thanks to back tap feature, you can assign back tap gesture on your iPhone. The gestures can be different. For example, you can assign camera access or screenshot to the back tap. In order to do it, firstly let's go to settings of your smartphone and now enter accessibility. Scroll all the way down. Go to touch and now scroll all the way down. Enter back tap and select gesture for double tap and triple tap. For example, let's select camera for double tap and screenshot for triple tap. Now, if you double tap or triple tap back of your smartphone, you will use assigned gesture. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.